will be reading Cooking Class by Kenn Nesbitt. It was a pretty fun poem. I thought that the kids would enjoy it. I enjoyed it definitely because cooking is not one of my strong suits, but it's definitely something I enjoy. Cooking is also one of those things that everyone has to go through if you want to be at least a decent adult. So here it goes. I signed up for cooking class. I thought it would be fun, but everything I made came out completely overdone. I burned a bowl of noodles. I set fire to a steak. I blackened 20 tacos, 7 pieces, and a cake. I turned some eggs to ashes and I torched a piece of toast, and you don't even want to know what happened to the roast. I don't know why, but everything I made went up in smoke. I even scorched some sushi, several salads, and a Coke. My lessons didn't teach me much. There's only one thing that I'm learning. I'm terrible at cooking, but I'm excellent at burning. So, again, the poem was something that I really, really enjoyed because I feel that way sometimes. Like, I cannot make this to save my life, but the narrator in the poem seems like they were really trying, and they really probably did enjoy the process of trying to cook. But in the end, all they learned is that they're not really good at cooking, but they did learn what they are good at. And I feel like that's a really, really important thing to learn and, always remember about yourself, about life in general, about being a student. And as you get older, you learn that you're not going to be great at everything and you're not going to succeed at everything. But the things that you succeed in always are going to outweigh the bad. There's always someone faster and smarter than me. And I know this. But the things that I am good at, such as academics and knitting, are always, the better things to think about. And you always want to just keep in mind that your accomplishments will take you further than the things that you don't accomplish. And life is just full of learning what things you are good and not good at. Yeah. So I hope you enjoyed the poem. I hope you enjoyed the analysis, and I look forward to reading to you guys again next week.